Good morning, class. Today we're going to multiply fractions using the number line. So basically, here we have a number line, and here we're going to go by fours. So we're kind of saying 4 times something equals the answer. For example, if you go 4 times 3, 1, 2, 3, that's going to equal 12. But here we're doing it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're saying kind of like 4 times 10 equals 40. Okay, but those aren't fractions. Let's do fractions. Now, here we have 1/3. We're going to do it 10 times. In other words, we're jumping 10 times. 1, 2, anyway, trust me, it's 10. So what we do, I like to put the 1 here. That's 10. In a fraction, right? Middle guy. Okay, so then we multiply straight across. 10 times 1 is 10. 1 times 3 is 3. Your answer is 1/10. All right, let me go to the next one. Now, here we have 5/3. We're going to do 5/3 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you go like this, I like to put the 4 as a fraction. That's 4 ones. And I multiply straight across. 4 times 5 is 20. And 1 times 3 is 3. So that's going to be over here 20/3. What we did is we jumped in 5 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you jump another 5/3, it'd be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In other words, 5 times 2. Now 5 times 3 we know is 15. We're going to jump 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if we count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, and then we did 4 times 5. But if in a number line, we actually move 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Or we could just multiply 4 times 5. Now, on the last one here, see how they've written 8/16 times 8. Now, I like to put 8 over 1 and just multiply straight across. 8 times 1, 8. 1 times 6, 6. Now, this will change later, so I like to do it this way, okay? Now, we do straight across again, 15. So right now we're doing 3/4 times 5. 1 times 4 is 4. And there's your answer. 2/5 times 4. We multiply straight across. 4 times 2 is 8. And 1 times 5 is 5. That's how you figure what 4 times 2/5 is. You just line them up like this. I like to put 3 ones, 4 ones, because that's 3 as a fraction. And that would be 12. And then if you multiply straight across at the bottom, that's 10. All right, watch my next video as I help you do the page 308 and 309. Cheers!